Hey guys, I'm here with another video on how to get your closure flat and look natural. So if you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned.
Trying not to be political. It was really real. Remember, I was in the middle school.
So hey guys, I am here with a closure tutorial on how to make a closure look really natural. So this hair is from organic that I got from my local beauty supply with a closure and 3 bundles. And if you want to know more about this hair, go to my other video. All the information will be in that video, but today I'll be showing you how I make my closure look natural. So let's get right into it. So what you're going to need is need your foundation, your powder of your foundation, a brush, your edge control, and mousse. So what I like to do first is I did scrub off all my makeup from my closure that I put in. I do have makeup underneath because I put makeup underneath of my clothes before I glued it down. What I like to do is I like to go in with my brush that I did get from Sephora that was a gift, a Christmas gift. So this brush will help me do my closure. The first thing I like to do is take my foundation that I got from my local drugstore from, what is it brand? Maybelline, I think? Yeah, Maybelline. So what I like to do is I like to uncap it and go around the perimeter and get some foundation. Not a lot, just a little bit because you don't want it to look too big. So this is about how much you should have on your brush. Should be very little. So then I like to cap it. I'm going to show you how I do this. So I like to, don't mind the whiteness that I have on my hair because I use the paper towel to try to take off my makeup so I can show you guys. So what I like to do, let me show you, is I like to take it and I like to flatten it so I can see like how far it goes. And I just like to start from the front to the back, and I just like to put the foundation on the lace. So then what I like to do, take the other end of the brush and just pat it in so it doesn't really bleed into the hair, but if it does, I'm going to show you how to get your foundation out your hair. So see, it looks natural, right? We ain't done yet. So then I like to take my brush and my foundation powder and dip my brush in my foundation powder and then put my brush on my lace closure. Then we're going to take our brush and we are going to brush our hair down to get the powder out our hair. And I like to take my mousse off my local beauty supply store, the Shine and Wave Mousse Argan Oil and Moroccan Oil that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I like to shake it up and just put it on my hands and then put it on both sides. And this is what's going to help take the foundation out of our hair and also flatten it down. Then you're going to take your brush again and you're just going to brush. So we have one more step. After you brush in your hair with the argan oil, I like to take my edge control brush and my edge control, and we're gonna swoop our edge. So I left a little bit of my edges out. So this is my edges. I left a little bit of them out so I can swoop it and make it very natural. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So this edge control I got from my local beauty supply store, and it's the Balm Edge Control, and it's awesome. It really lays my edges. And this is my edge control brush that I use to lay my edges. It has a comb on one side and a brush on the other. So I like to take only a little bit. You don't want to use a lot of product, and you're going to just put it on your edges and slay them. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Slick them down. So I like to do just a little swoop with all of them together. So that's what I'm going to show you. So I just like to put them together and then swoop them all up into a circle, like so. So and I'm just gonna go in with my comb, brush, whatever you like to call it, and just brush my hair. This is the final look that you do get. Let's just put some of my makeup over my edges so it looks a little bit natural. And you see that little thing that's poking up, the little lace? I like to just take a little bit of my edge and just smush it down. Just hold it down for there for a little bit. And lift up. And it just smushes it down. So what you get for your final product. If you love this video and want to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
Trying not to be political, it was real. Remember I was in the middle school with a fit.